What health problem do you have? I had measles when I was 18. How did you have that health problem? I thought I'd catch measles from someone when they cough or sneeze. Was that serious? Not really, but it was unpleasant. I recovered after 10 days of staying at home. What were some symptoms of that health problem? I had a cold and fever with a cough and a runny nose. The small grayish-white spots appeared on my body, too. Did you take any medical treatment? No, I didn't. This situation wasn't serious enough to be sent to the hospital then. How could you recover from it? Well, let me see. I drank a lot of water, avoided the direct light, and I had to stay away from school for 10 days. What difficulties did you face because of that problem? I couldn't go out for a few days, which was boring. I'm not allowed to play outside, and I felt so bad about it. What do people do to prevent that health problem? By having a measles vaccine, is that health problem common in your country? Not really, due to the effectiveness of the vaccine. What is a famous landmark in your hometown? Well, I can't hide my pride to talk about the Statue of Liberty. When was it built? I read in newspapers that it was constructed in 1886. Where is it? It's located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor. What does it look like? That's a woman known as the Roman goddess. Bearing a torch and a broken chain lies at her feet. What was it made of? The main material was copper. Who was the architect? Mr. Gustave Eiffel, who also designed the Tower of Eiffel. What is special about it? Actually, it was gifted to my country, to the USA, by the people of France. Does it symbolize something? The statue is a symbol of freedom. We all love it and are so proud to share with international friends about it. Does it attract many tourists to come? Yep, it attracts 4 million visitors each year, according to the statistics.
Are you a tech and gadget lover?
Yes, I am. I love shopping for new gadgets.
What is an important technological advancement you know?
That's the emergence of online payment systems like credit cards or PayPal, thanks to the development of the internet, I think.
What do you use it for?
I use these services to do shopping online. Now I can book flight tickets in advance without the need to go to the agency.
How long have you been using it?
I've been using these services for around 3 years.
Does it make your life easier?
Sure, it's fast, simple, and convenient.
How did it change your life?
Well, I can enjoy my life more. I can do plenty of things online like shopping, transferring money, booking tickets, and so on.
How often do you use it?
At least once a week.
What are other technological advancements you know?
There are many. Electricity, the smartphone, the internet, the robot, and so on.
Do you usually talk on the phone? Yes, I do. It's a good way to keep in touch. What was your favorite phone conversation? It was when I talked to my interviewer. He did give me The good news that I got the job. When did you have the conversation? I don't remember exactly, but it's been 2 years so far, I guess. Who did you talk to? I talked to the owner of the restaurant where I'm working as a cashier. What did you talk about? He offered me the position and congratulated me. Why did you find the conversation interesting? Actually, it was more exciting than interesting. I was waiting for it for so long, and finally, he made it come true. Do you prefer talking directly or talking on the phone? Personally, talking directly is much better for me since it's more lively and authentic. Who do you usually talk to on the phone? I talked to my mom almost every day. I will be missing the conversation every evening with my mom if one day she stops calling me. What are the differences between talking directly and on the phone? Well, talking directly seems more exciting since you can see facial expressions. Eye contact while talking on the phone, you can only listen to the voice. Do you like learning languages?
Yes, I do. I love traveling and talking to the local people in their mother tongue.
What is your mother language?
I speak English.
What second language are you learning?
I'm learning Spanish. I fell in love with Spanish when I traveled to Spain last year.
Is that popular in your country?
Yes. People in my country come from every corner of the world. And Spanish is the second popular language spoken here, according to the statistics.
How often do you use that language?
Quite a lot. I see Spanish people every day in restaurants, banks, or supermarkets.
How long have you been learning that language?
I've been learning it for 5 years. I'm in the advanced class now.
Why do you choose to learn that language?
I'm interested in Spanish culture, and I'd like to use language as a tool to discover Spanish cultural values.
Who is your teacher?
An old Spanish teacher. She can also speak English fluently.
Why do people learn a second language?
There are many purposes. Some learn to do business, some learn to travel, some just learn for fun.